Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Porsche Boxster. First, gather your essential tools, including a 24mm wrench, a new oil filter, and about 9 quarts of the correct engine oil. It's important to ensure your engine is warm, but not hot, for the best oil drainage. Next, safely lift your car using a jack and secure it with jack stands on a flat, stable surface. Safety is always paramount. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the drain plug on the oil pan, which is typically a 24mm bolt, underneath your engine. Position a large drain pan directly beneath the plug to ensure you catch all the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug, being mindful of the hot oil. Allow the oil to drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring the system is thoroughly emptied. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. Use an appropriate oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new oil filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn with the wrench to secure it properly. Finally, let's add the new oil. Reinstall the drain plug with a fresh crush washer and tighten it securely to prevent leaks. Now, carefully pour approximately 9 quarts of the recommended new engine oil into the oil filler cap. Once filled, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter, then turn off the engine and verify the oil level using the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.